this budget claims it's not like all the other budgets, but I'll let you decide that for yourself. Today's budget is called the reverse budget, also known as the pay yourself first budget. Call it what you want to, my babies fly like a jet stream. Let's never talk about this moment. The reverse budget claims it's not like all the other budgets because budgets usually focus on things like rent, utilities, child support, groceries, and all the other boring things that you have to pay. Instead of paying your landlord for rent, with the reverse budget, your landlord will pay you for rent. It's a real-life Uno reverse card. Okay, I'm kidding, but now that I have your attention, let's go over the 5 steps of the reverse budget. Remember that the reverse budget focuses on budgeting for savings first. Step 0 is to figure out how much money you will be paid for the month. Step 1 is to figure out how much you're going to spend for your needs. I know what you're thinking. Isn't the reverse budget supposed to focus on savings first? Maybe it is just like all the other budgets. Anyway, I'll tell you why I think it's called the reverse budget at the end of the video, but this first step really is important because you don't want to put too much into savings and not be able to pay the things you need to pay. Step 2 is to subtract step 1 from step 0. With this number, we move on to step 3. Step 3 is to determine how much money you want to save for the month, and these savings can be for things like your emergency fund, retirement, Chicken Little merch, vacation, or whatever you want to save money for. Step 4 is to subtract your savings number from the number in step 2, and that is what you have left for whatever you want. And no matter how much money you have left at this point, this next step is really important and it's free, and it's to smash the like button. Okay, step 5 is actually the most important, and it comes on payday. On payday, save as much as you can from your savings goal before you do anything else with that money. Those are the 5 steps for the reverse budget, and if you read them in reverse, so from step 5 to step 1, it actually starts with savings. That's probably not why it's called the reverse budget, but that's probably why it has a second name called the pay yourself first budget. Because even though step 1 isn't exactly about savings, the most important step is, and it's the first thing you do when you get your paycheck. Thank you all for watching, and if you didn't know, April is Financial Literacy Month, and I had a goal of posting 1 video every day for this month. I almost gave up yesterday, but we live to see another day. Thank you for those that have been watching and commenting and smashing the like button, and for all your support. And I want to thank everyone for the 100 subscribers again. This is the second time I'm celebrating this milestone because earlier this week somebody decided to reverse subscribe, I guess, and I was back at 99. As of the time of this recording, I am at 101 subscribers, so thank you. Thanks for coming to my TED.